this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a speed square to make your project a whole lot easier. I use this speed square for almost every project I use. Very useful and very beneficial. What I'm going to do here, I have a mark here of where I want my cut to be. I'm going to use that straight edge here. Get a nice, good, clean mark all the way across. And once I have that, I'm going to take my saw. I'm going to put it on the mark I'm going to be cutting here and use my speed square as a straight edge. It's one of the most useful things with a square here, especially when using hand saws like this. It gives you a nice, good, clean square cut. Now I have it marked where I want it. Go ahead and go. Cut out, I'll use my speed square here. And it has a nice straight edge cut on it there. Another very useful tool you can use, especially with angles, is, let's just say I want to cut about this length here. I'll take my speed square, put on that mark there, and down here you can see the different angles that you can cut with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a 45-degree angle, and so I'm going to put on my top mark here. I'm going to slide this down until I find 45 degrees right there. And once I have my 45 degrees, I have it lined up perfectly, I'm going to go ahead and make my mark. Now this is my 45-degree angle cut here. I'm going to move my square down, keep it at my 45-degree angle mark, take my saw, make sure it's on 45, and I'm going to complete my cut. Once it's all cut out, again you can use your speed square to make sure that you have your 45-degree angles. And once you have your 45-degree angles, it fits in perfectly. And that's how you make a 45-degree angle cut with a speed square. And you can use any angles down here to use whatever cut you want to use for.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to put up more how-to videos. That way you can do more of your own affordable backyard woodworking.